Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Jim from Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatagan natin na nagsabi sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Taurus. So Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawag supporter sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na guumapo ang biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. Umpisaan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit guys, give me an information for the sign of Taurus. So, ano magiging bulabog sa'yo, no? Ngayong linggong to. Oh my God! There's the sun card. There's a pure positivity. Lahat ng bagay na magliliwanag para may bagong kinabukasan na nakalaan para sa'yo. So, nandito yung pasabog sa'yo na magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. Oh my God! There's a success. Panalo. And of course, there's the word card. There's a lot of trouble. My goodness. Double clarification, there's a success, no? And because there's a three of wands. So, there's a waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. O some of you, baka kumbaga mangingibang bansa ka or some of you guys, alis ka, magja-travel ka, na there's an opportunity na kumbaga inaantay mo ay parating na. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's Ace of Wands. So, there's a new beginning coming in to you. So, hawak mo na yung alas. So, magsisimula na ang totoong klase ng buhay. And because there's a Queen of Swords, the bigger picture, na kumbaga nakikita mo na at natatanaw mo na yung magiging possibilities and of course, yung outlook ng lahat ng ito, no? Kumbaga ang kaganapan sa buhay mo ay talagang mababago. So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a Ten of Swords. So, there's a backstabbing. So, some of you, there's a betrayal, no? Maaaring tinatraidor ka or some of you, binabackstab ka or literal na backstabbing, no? Talagang literal to na maaaring tinitira ka patalikod. So, let's see what is the Sun card. And of course, sinasabi dito na, they want to pull you down. So, gusto ka talaga niya pabagsakin. And of course, there's a King of Pentacles, so there's a security, no? About sa finances. So, kailangan maging matalino ka dito. So, let's see what is the word card. And of course, there's a magician. I told you, there's a magician, the death card. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a doing a black magic and the death card represent an ending and a new beginning. It's either gusto ka nitong tapusin or either matatapos na ang magic involved. And the word card represent an earth sign. So, ibig sabihin, there's a Taurus talaga na may kaugnayan ka dito, no? Na talagang magkakaroon ka ng power, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a transformation. At there's an, there's a phoenix signs for a Scorpio na rising from the ashes, diba? Hindi ka nila kayang patumbahin. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's a Six of Pentacles magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. So, ibig sabihin dito, malaking possible na there is a good fortune or something, there's a giving or receiving something from the universe, no? Kumbaga, there's a lot of blessing in disguise. So, there's a Ace of Once for the judgment. For there's a wake up call. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, there's a signs na kumbaga nagising ka sa katotohanan kung ano nangyayari behind your back. No? Kumbaga, naunawaan mo. No? Natauhan ka, parang ganon. And kasi sinasabi dito na Queen of Swords, there's a Six of Cups. So, it's an ex, no? It's an, kumbaga, there's an ex or either a relationship, a past relationship or either family related or something kapitbahay, no? Meron talagang something information dito na ano mo na gets mo na or something nakita mo yung information na to. Dara na unawaan mo, no? So, let's see what is the Ten of Swords. So, there's a Queen of Swords. So, there's a success driven. So, magtatagumpay ka dito, no? Kaya binabackstab kasi unti-unti ka na nagtatagumpay. No? So, let's see what is the Sun card and the King of Pentacles. And of course, there's Ten of Pentacles. Wow, a long-term success and long-term investments. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a good fortune for you about sa finances. So, magkakaroon ka ng financial windfall dito or suddenly, magkakaroon ka ng security about sa finances. So, let's see what is the word card, the Magician and the Death card for The Two of Wands. So, there is a Two of Wands for bigger picture, no? Kumbaga, tinitingnan mo dito both side of situation, di ba? Titignan mo yung sitwasyon, no? Kung ano yung magiging eksena. So, let's see what is the Three of, oh my God, the Three of Wands and of course the Six of Pentacles. Wow, there's an Ace of Pentacles. So, there is a big money coming in for you, a big opportunities. Oh my God, may malaking pera or salapi. Alam nyo guys, Taurus ha, even kumbaga pagpasok pa lang no, ng month ng December, puro pera. Nang sinasabi dito, may malaking pera parating. Let's see what, oh my God, there's a Seven of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, there's an, oh my goodness, magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances kasi there's an harvest time. So, makukuha mo na, no, yung mga bagay-bagay na nararapat sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Queen of Swords and the Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups. So, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo by, okay, by the past, no? Yung mga nangyari sa'yo from the past na there's a wheel of, kumbaga, iikot na yung kapalaran, no? There's a turning point. Maaring babalik sa kanila yung ginawa nila. Even, there's a good fortune for you, no? Kumbaga, kung ano man yung mga ginawa or naging instances dito, kumbaga, iikot na yung kapalaran. Maaring na, minsan ka na nasa ilalim. Ngayon, kumbaga, iibabaw ka na, no? Ganon, gulong ng palad. So, let's see what is the Ten of Swords and the Queen, no? And, of course, the Nine of Swords. And of course, guys, there's the Moon card. There's a revelation, no? Nalaman mo na. Nagets mo na kung sino tong traidor. Or nalaman mo na talaga kung sino tong gumagawa behind your back. Oh my goodness. There is a hidden agenda, no? Maaring malaki ang inggit sa'yo or something, malaki ang galit sa'yo, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Outcome is the Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Panatiliin mong kalmado. Huwag kang magiging padalos-dalos, even sa mga desisyon mo. And of course, there's an Eight of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin talaga, no, sa negosyo. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa negosyo, magkaroon ka ng stability and control. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's an independent, no, kumbaga kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mong pa, even sa negosyo or trabaho, kayang-kaya mo yan. At sinasabi sa'yo dito na, maaaring magkakaroon ka ng stability and of course confident, no? Pero kailangan mo i-boost yung confident mo. And because there's a King of Swords na there's a being wise, no? Kailangan maging wise. At the same time, there's Four of Pentacles, protectionan mo yung grounds mo. Even your territory, no? Protectionan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a camera, memories, and learn from the past. Matuto ka na sa nakaraan mo, ha? Maraming, kumbaga, there's a human CCTV. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a camera, no? Maraming nakasubaybay sa'yo. Kaya mag-ingat ka sa mga pinopost mo sa social media. No, there's a plan na kung may plano ka, kung hinaharang nila, or kung nagkakaroon ng evil eye contract na parang there's a curse, ganon. Kaya kailangan may evil eye mantra ka nang sa ganon, kumbaga, yung mga iniisip nila or yung mga binibigkas nila sa bibig nila ay bumabalik sa kanila. Because there's a coffee cup, so ibig sabihin dito, there's a conversation, no? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages for you. Okay, let's see what is the magical fairy messages for you. Okay, there's an everything is okay. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring mag-okay na lahat. Don't worry, it's all working out in a beautiful way. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga wag kang mangamba. Lahat na nangyayari ay may magandang kahulugan at may magandang kalalabasan dyan. Diba? Parang, it's a blessing disguise na parang ipinaunawa lang sa'yo about sa spiritual. Diba? Or something about sa practical. No? Na, kumbaga, may mga about sa finances or pera na kailangan mo maging maingat, even sa sarili mo, no? Kailangan mo proteksyonin yung sarili mo. And of course, kailangan mong gamayan at kailangan mo alagaan. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. Ano yung Yin and Yang Oracle? There's a close of guarded. So, ibig sabihin, protectionan mo yung sarili mo, no? And ako sinasabi dito, there's a spark. See? Kumbaga, there's a renewal. Magkakaroon ka na panibago dito and you are on the spotlight. Additional messages. And of course, there's a water. Oh my God, may kinalaman ka sa Ace of Water for Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for chakra messages. For the chakra messages. And of course, there's a growth, no? Mayroon talagang ugat ng eksena dito. Or magkakaroon ka ng expansion, no? Parang palalawakin ng negosyo, hanap buhay, ganon. And there's a miracle, no? Mayroon ditong himala, no? Magkakaroon ka ng himala dito. And of course, kagalingan. And there's an healing and hope, ang pag-asa. Diba? Kumbaga, there's a, nakikita niyo yan, yung parang usok siya, guys. Diba? There's a guardian angels na magbibigay ng inyong kagalingan. Ganon. And if there's an impatience, so ibig sabihin na uubusan ka ng pasensya. Diba? Parang nagiging ano ka, bugnutin or something ganon. Kumbaga, nagiging gusto mo pa dalos-dalos sa mga decision. So, let's see what is the energy. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a women holding a heart. So, some of you merong may hawak ng puso mo. No? Kumbaga, may nagpapatibok sa puso mo. And of course, there's a thinking man, no? Mayroong talagang, kumbaga, nag-iisip sa'yo bilang isang diamond, no? Para nakikita yung worth mo or something. Ibig sabihin dito, if you were a Taurus man, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, nag-overthink ka dito sa isang bagay o sa isang tao, no? If you were a Taurus woman, so ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, merong, kumbaga, iniisip ka at tinitingnan yung halaga mo. Diba? At ang ganda-ganda mo dun sa paraan na yun. Because there's a women na holding heart. So, some of you, if you are men, no? Kumbaga, may taong nagmamahal sa'yo dito. No? Because if you are Taurus na women, kumbaga, ikaw yung may hawak ng puso niya. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And because there's an all tied up, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa mga negativities. Although your ego, no? Kailangan mo alisin yung ego na yan. So, let's see what is additional messages for Romance Angels. For Romance Angels, Angel Spirit Guides. Give me an information. And of course, the true love. Oh my God, this is the romance of a lifetime. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring natagpuan mo na yung true love mo. Or something, there's a true love coming in for you. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. What is Archangel Raphael? Okay. Exercise is the key. So, kailangan mo mag-exercise, no? Kailangan mo rin mag-exercise dito. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages sa'yo. Ano kayang chika ni Archangel Michael? Tingnan natin. So, let's see what is additional Archangel Michael messages. And prayer will help you from this situation. Kaya makakatulong doon sa sitwasyon mo yung pagdarasal. Diba? And of course, go forward fearlessly. Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan. Ito yung sa nagsisilbing blockages eh. No? Yung natatakot ka, kailangan lumaban ka. Maging matapang ka. Bawal ang duwag. So, let's see what is our Monsology. And work through your fears. I told you so. Diba? Sinasabi dito, kailangan labanan yung takot. Diba? Hindi ako talaga nagkakamali. Diba? Nandito yung sinasabi talaga ng gabay natin na, diba? Na ang, kumbaga, labanan mo yung takot mo. Ano kasi sinasabi dito na meditation and contemplate. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate para madagdagan ng energy mo, yung aura mo. Nang sa ganun, may mga tao man na, kumbaga, sumusubok na sirain ka, pabagsakin ka, pero mamamayagpag ka. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a freedom. So, palayain mo yung sarili mo sa kalungkutan. At, kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng kaligayahan. At, kaliwanagan. And if there's a regret, no? Alam mo na, kumbaga, na hindi mo na mababalik yung nakaraan or something na may mga bagay na pinagsisisihan ko, pinanghihinayangan ka, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. And there's a perspective. So, baguhin mo yung perspective mo, yung mindset mo, no? Kailangan tignan mo yung sarili mo in the good fortune, in the good, kumbaga, a bigger feature, no, of yourself, no? Yung tignan mo yung magiging maganda yung kinabukasan mo, yung parang, sinasabi dito, kailangan may ganito ka na, 5 years, 10 years from now, kumbaga kumbaga na may sarili na kayong bahay, may sarili na kayong sasakyan, kumbaga, baguhin mo yung mindset mo na go to the flow, no? Yung pagiging padalos-dalos sa mga bagay-bagay, even sa paggagastos ng kung ano-ano, no? Dapat nag-i-invest ka sa pangmatagalan. So, let's see what is additional messages And of course, there's an oracle. So, there's an information na parang nalaman mo na yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo, no? Parang ipinakita na sa'yo ng angel's answer. Pero, di ba, parang nagkakaroon ka pa rin ng doubt or something. Pero ngayon, parang binubuksan ng kaisipan mo na alam mo na, nasa harap mo na yung sagot. Ayaw mo lang talagang tanggapin, no? So, let's see what is the additional messages for angel spirit. And of course, there's a release and transition. No? See, makakaalis ka na at kailangan mo nang alisin yung sarili mo sa situation. Or either, kailangan mo nang baguhin. And there's a journey for travel. There's a journey, ha? May travel dito. Ang lakas ng energy na may travel ka talaga. And of course, there's a lesson. So, matuto ka na. No? Matuto ka na sa nangyari sa'yo from the past. No? So, let's see what is Jesus' loving quotes. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quote said. So, sinasabi dito, nothing shall be impossible to you. So, see, pagdating sa'yo, walang imposible. No? Kailangan mo lang maniwala at magtiwala. So, sinasabi rin sa'yo ng ating gabay na kailangan mo i-surrender lahat. No? There's an angel's answer, guys, no? Nandito yung angel's answer. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, no? Isipin niyo yung magiging question nyo at nandito ang kasagutan. Bibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo ng magiging question nyo. No? So, okay. 1, 2, 3. So, okay. Laban na to. Angel's answer, give me information. Further questions. Okay. Ask your angels. So, may mga bagay siguro na kailangan mong hingiin sa iyong mga gabay o tanungin sa iyong mga gabay. Diba? Na may mga tanong ka na ang gabay mo lang yung makakasagot. So, let's see what is additional messages. So, buksan mo ang iyong intuitions, no? And of course, buksan mo yun. Kumbaga, makinig ka sa inner voice. And see, there's a meditation bring answer. So, malalaman mo ang kasagutan niya sa iyong intuition. Palawakin mo ang kaisipan mo, no? Binubuksan ang about sa spirituality mo na maunawaan mo yung nangyayari behind your back. And of course, be assertive, no? Dapat alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung lugar mo or something, alam mo sa sarili mo kung ano yung power mo, no? And kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a yes, no? So, let's see what is additional angel's number. So, let's see what is the angel's answer. So, sinasabi dito, guys, there's a 10-10, I am patient. So, ito nga, di ba? Kailangan mo habaan yung pasensya mo. So, sinasabi, keep your thoughts positive and be patient as everything is working out of your highest good. Trust that our angels are working behind the scene to you to help you. Ibig sabihin dito, magtiwala ka lang daw, no? Na yung mga gabay mo, tinutulungan ka na at nagkakaroon na ng progreso sa kaganapan at tanong mo at yung mga bagay na, kumbaga, pinag-aalalahanan mo, no? Kung nag-aalala ka sa kalagayan mo or sa sitwasyon mo kung ano man yung bagay na yan, huwag ka mag-alala. Kumbaga, magtiwala ka sa ating mga gabay at ating Panginoon na process na yan. And of course, there's a progress, no? Nangyayari na yung mga bagay na yan. So, there's a cause and effect, yung mga bagay-bagay na kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo, na nagkaroon ng apekto sa'yo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na dapat mong makuha or mata mo, there's a good fortune and of course, there's a good luck. Ibig sabihin sa dito, kung may mga bagay na nangyayari, no, na behind your back na, kumbaga, hindi purpose ni God, at yung mga bagay na ginagawa ng ibang tao na makakasama sa'yo, ay ibabalik sa kanila yan. Ano kasi sabi dito, kaya habaan mo yung pasensya mo, magtiwala ka sa ating Panginoon na lahat na nangyayari sa'yo ay may dahilan, no? So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, let's see what is the messages of life. God sustain me. So, there's a God talaga, no? So, sinasabi dito, as I turn each day over to God, my worst is the most resistance, softness, in the arms of God. Love, I find my inner peace even in the challenging time. Today, my faith provides me with a great strength. I welcome all that comes my way, knowing that the love of God sustain me. See? Diba? Alam mo na, kumbaga nagtitiwala ka na sa ating poong may kapal na lahat ng mga inaalalahanan mo or something, lahat ng bagay na bitbit mo na kumbaga nahihirapan ka sa situation mo, even sa mga bagay-bagay na na hawak-hawak mo. Kumbaga, kung ano man yung bagay na yan na nagbibigay sa'yo ng worries, no? Or something doubt, lilinisin yan, iaalis yan, no? So, may mga bagay na kailangan mong magtiwala at palakasin ng inyong ang paniniwala, no? At ang sinasabi dito, palalakasin ng katawan mo at bibigyan ka ng kalakasan at kumpiyansa sa sarili mo na matupad mo yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. Maniwala ka lang na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na yan in God perfect time, in God perfect will. So guys, this reading is a weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat po for your wonderful reading. So, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na guuma po ang balik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.